Somebody is frying up egg rolls. I think it's my dad, and it smells so delicious. The door is shut, but the aroma is like seeping in here. What's up, chickies? Welcome back to my channel. Today is my November obsessions. This is the best in beauty and lifestyle for the whole entire month. I hope you guys are having a great start to the holiday season. I am participating in Vlogmas, where I will be vlogging and uploading every single day up through Christmas Day. We are currently on Vlogmas day number 2. We'll still have my normal beauty, fashion, lifestyle videos Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and of course on Sundays. If you guys are new here, I would greatly appreciate it if you please subscribe to my channel. I would love for you guys to be a part of the Chickie crew. Don't forget to hit that little bell to be notified of new videos. This is hands down my favorite eyeshadow palette for the whole entire month because I have used it consistently the whole month. I am also wearing the shadows today. It is from the brand Karity, and this is called the Picante eyeshadow palette, which contains 21 different eyeshadows, which range from either a matte or a shimmer. They are also super blendable, super creamy. If you are a fan of warm tone shadows, you will absolutely love this palette. Every palette that is purchased, they donate a meal to an animal in need. If you guys are interested in seeing my whole review, swatch video, and a couple different looks using this eyeshadow palette, I will link it up here in the card area. Today I am using Delia all over the lid, set the eyeshadow primer, and then I went in with Bittersweet, just all up in the crease area, in the outer third and also the inner third. Then I laid down an eyeshadow primer to kind of make the center of the lid pop, and I used the Karity Pre-Shadow Long-Lasting Anti-Crease Primer. To be quite honest, the first time I used it, I wasn't a fan of the product, but once I kind of started playing around with it, then I really saw why this product is so great. It has a doe foot applicator. You want to first just lay it on the lid and then let it set so that it has just like a little bit of tackiness when you apply the shadow on top of it, which let me just show you. I think that's actually what happened to some of my shadows. So when you when you apply the shadow just like right on top of it, the shadow kind of just gets lost. Once you let it set, it still has a bit of that tackiness, and then apply the shadow, boom, it pops. Simply just pop it. You can already see that there is a difference. This is the one where we freshly applied it onto the skin, and this one has set a bit, but it has a bit of tackiness. So I have to give it hands down to these two products from Karity. They're also very affordable. They're a cruelty-free brand. Another one of my favorites this month, which I also filmed a whole review, wear test on this. I think it was actually back in October, but I haven't really talked about it since then. Have been using it, I would say, almost every single one of my videos this month. Makeup Revolution. This is the Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation. I am in the shade F10. Very huge fat doe foot applicator, and let me just swatch it really quickly. This truly will give you that full coverage effect, and I love the way how it looks because this does not contain any SPF. I also really appreciate the way how this product wears throughout the day. It looks amazing for photos, for videos, also drugstore. It's very affordable, and I am also wearing the foundation today. I saw this at my local CVS. This is the e.l.f. Times Heart Defensor, or That's Heart here on YouTube. This is her collaboration with e.l.f. Cosmetics, and you have here Coffee and Cream, which are both a powder highlighter. It also has the mirror at the top. I also really like how it has the kind of like rose gold packaging. I'm a huge sucker for anything rose gold. Wearing a combination of the two on the highest points of my cheekbones, at the tip of my nose, and also on my cupid's bow. But I have really been enjoying this highlighter this month. Coffee is definitely more of that rose kind of champagne color, and then we have Cream, which is very light for me. So the combination of the two highlighters, I absolutely love the way how it looks. I love the way how it blends out, and it just really gives you highlighting glow without it looking too much, in my opinion. So we're going to continue with e.l.f. Cosmetics. This is something I picked up when I visited one of the freestanding e.l.f. stores, e.l.f. eyelash cases, and I just thought it was so cute because I love the eyelashes on the front. It's also plastic, but I like this huge mirror that you receive in this little compact. And then in here you can actually place 3 of your lashes. Normally I will place these lashes that I'm wearing today, I will place them in here, and unfortunately this this one. It's missing its sister, so hopefully I will find it one day. Juno&co microfiber velvet sponge. And the really interesting thing about this sponge is that it has all of these tiny little bristles, which you guys can see are all over the sponge. Now the reason why it is dirty is because I just used it. I also did dampen this just to let you guys know, but personally for me, I like to use this either dry or damp. I did use it today damp to help distribute my under eye concealer, and it just does such a beautiful job distributing the product because it doesn't drag the product. It just glides so gently. The first time I used it, I just felt like it was so different from a regular sponge. Regardless if I use this dry or damp, it doesn't absorb as much product as a typical sponge would. So that's something also to consider, and it is very inexpensive. It's $6. Let's talk about a lip product, and this is the lip product I've been using the whole month. It is my friend Lizzie, What Would Lizzie Do, here on YouTube. She curated her very own custom liquid lipstick shade, which I am wearing today. She's part of the COLLAB team. It's called Peachy Keen. This is from the brand COLLAB, and you can find COLLAB at Sally Beauty, also on the Sally Beauty website. This has a doe foot applicator. It's a really gorgeous peachy nude color. It's very complementary to many different skin tones. Been in my backpack in my makeup bag this whole month. Kiss Bring the Salon Home Revolutionary Acrylic Nails. Now I'm pretty sure you guys saw me wearing these nails the past 2 weeks. This is what the nail looks like. It's basically a stiletto shaped nail. The length of this nail is long. You can wear it as is, or you can also paint it, and that's something I found that was very appealing to me because of course with the other acrylic nails or the press on type of nails, they already come where they're already painted or they have some sort of design on them, which I really like, but I wanted something where I could utilize the nail polishes I have. Picked this up at CVS. I think it was like $5. I was able to use this for 2 sessions, so for 1 week and then another week. Actually, I think it even lasted me longer than that. All right, chickies, so that is everything for my November obsessions. Let me know if you guys have tried out any of these products. What did you guys think of them? Also, don't forget to comment some of your obsessions for the month. I'm always really curious, you know, what you guys are trying out or testing out or what you guys have been loving. If you guys enjoyed today's video and found it helpful, please make sure you smash that like button, as well as don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell notification, turn on those post notifications to be notified of new videos. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys check out the videos right over here. You might enjoy those as well. Thank you, chickies, so much for watching. Don't forget, I'm uploading a daily vlog every single day for Vlogmas up through Christmas Day, and we will also have our regular videos, so make sure you guys come back tomorrow for a brand new video. Mwah.